Tonight's weather photo of a sunset over White Beach was sent in by Theo Van Loon. Here's Simon McCullough.
The evening was fine and mostly sunny across the state today. A little bit of cloud in the west this morning with a few very light showers there. Maximum temperatures today were 5 to 8 degrees above average in the east, but close to average elsewhere. State's high was actually 29 at Campania in the late afternoon, while overnight temperatures close to average, and it did get down to -1 at Liaweni. Hobart's range 11 to 27, 7 to 19 the range for Launceston, and 17 for Burnie and Devonport. Rain to 9 a.m. and some moderate falls in the west only, really, with 18 at Mount Reid. There was 12 at Queenstown and 5 at Strathgordon, but just 1 at Strawn. And if we look at the satellite sequence today, we can see a little bit of high-level cloud initially around Tasmania and some low-level cloud to the west, but otherwise cloud-free and no significant rain after 9 o'clock. That's all ahead of this fairly extensive area of cloud, which includes a front and trough heading our way for tomorrow. And we'll see on the chart there's actually a lot of cloud indicated in there as well, but there's actually a trough and front that cross the state tomorrow, with a low-pressure system developing on the trough and finishing up to the southeast of Tasmania with a bit of a southerly change over the southern half of the state. We can expect some rain to extend to most districts, but totals are likely to be fairly light for tomorrow. This trough moves away on Friday morning with the next ridge moving in, some clearing rain in the northeast and some showers in the west and south. And then we're back into a northwesterly flow with above average temperatures again on Saturday ahead of an approaching front with a little bit of rain to extend from the northwest again. Interstate for tomorrow, some showers and more storms for Brisbane, showers for Adelaide, a shower or two clearing from Perth, possible late showers for Melbourne, but fine for the other capitals. Tasmania's forecast and some rain at times gradually extending throughout during the morning. Rainfall totals generally less than 5 millimetres for most of the state, and there is just a hint of a southerly change pushing up over the southern half of the state during the afternoon. So rain at times for all the population centres tomorrow, top of 19 for Burnie and Devonport, 11 to 23 for Launceston and 24 for St Helens, 19 for Strawn, 22 for Swansea and 21 for Hobart after a minimum of 14. Sunrise tomorrow is at 5:33. Coastal waters, north to northwesterly winds of 10 to 20 knots, up to 30 knots in the southwest early, but lighter in the north. Winds will tend southwest to southeast to lead to 15 knots about western and southern areas during the day. Southwest swell of 2 to 3 metres in the west and south, a low westerly swell in Bass Strait, a southerly swell in the east. A strong wind warning is still current tomorrow for the south coast. On Friday, early rain about the far northeast, with showers about the west and south easing around the middle of the day, but the odd shower developing in the east for a period. Fine for Burnie, Devonport and Launceston, shower or two clearing from Hobart. Then on Saturday, a cold front approaching with north-northwesterly winds. Chance of some rain about the north and west, with a slight chance of rain over the remainder. Some rain at times for Burnie, Devonport and Launceston, and the possibility of some rain developing for Hobart, but still a top of 25. That's tonight's weather. Here's Peter.
Thanks, Simon. You can catch up on the 7 o'clock news anytime via the ABC's iView service. Just go to iview.abc.net.au, type in ABC News and select Tasmania. And watch your local nightly news on TV, online and on mobile. That's ABC News for now. Next up, 7:30.